This 2020 Fleetwood Pace Arrow 36U is a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, Florida, 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This used Fleetwood is 37 feet 7 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, a Vapor Decor, Oxford Cabinetry interior, Sleeps 5, DVD player, stove-top burner, slide-out, external shower, microwave, air conditioning, awning, TV, self-contained, auxiliary battery, and 77 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, bunk over cab, front dinette, front kitchen, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2020 Fleetwood Pace Arrow 36U is built on a Freightliner XC-Series Power Bridge chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.